just an oil change and repair a chewed wire on the third coil. Simple stuff. She was complaining about a hard start or problem with the car, and we found this right as soon as I opened the hood. So the rodents here, they tend to chew up a lot of stuff because they get in. Look, you can see the rodent poop. And here in the city, you see it a lot, and a lot of these cars, people drive them barely. So they come in from probably their weekend, whatever they do, and they park them and they leave them. And when they're warm enough, the rats come in. They chill, they eat stuff in the engine bay, and we find a lot of this, just little tore up wires. This one's not too bad because it just looks like it's just that. Everybody's gonna be outside today, huh? I don't know the tire pressure that should be in it, and people see the light and they just put air in the tires and put air in the tires. And sometimes they go over, they could be under, but sometimes they go over. So they come in with the light, and because they don't know where it should be. But on just about any car here in the US that I know of has the information for your tire pressure. See how it has right here, front and rear tires, sizes, and then it gives you the PSI, 32 pound front, and where's 32 pound rear. And all cars have this sticker. But we gotta check that right now because this one's flashing. Some of them have the sensors give up, and there's little machines that wake them back up. I don't have it, but there's a machine that you plug in and you like zap it with it or something, and it wakes the sensor back up, and then they program it, and everything's fine. And sometimes the battery just gives out. Each pair. Each pair, yeah. That's not bad. So most of these cars take anywhere from 4 to 4.5 quarts of oil. Call her, but I'm gonna call her right now and let her know she's gonna need that. See how they chewed it? Mm-hmm. Little teeth marks. So watch them. So I'm gonna heat this up to shrink it. It's not going far enough though. I'm gonna have to peel this back some more. Catch it right there. It's not going nowhere. So it's not, I don't advise people to do it close to this because fuel and all that. I'm just gonna take a torch really quick and I flame up, and it shrinks this down. See, this is a fuel line here.
Hey Mike, do you remember how much that panel was for the Prius?
Special like thermal tape that they use for here. It looks like black tape. Like this is probably that special stuff, because some of the black tape that's not for this temperature will come out. And that's it. A shrink wrap with I don't know where her issue was, but it could have been because of that. That maybe at some point it wasn't catching right.
Yeah.
You know, the wires are chewed up enough to where maybe they were partially making contact, and that's why it was. She said she was having trouble starting.
Okay.
Could be it.